It's time for an engine stop. Our engine stop and chute wadding, which is this colorful paper right here, will go in the bottom of the rocket. Chute wadding protects the parachute from the heat of the engine. The engine stop, which are these little rings, sit about in here and hold the engine in place during flight. Here's what you first want to do. Take a piece of chute wadding. It's protected with a chemical so that it's heat and flame resistant. Doesn't matter what color. We're going to pretty much crumple it up into somewhat of a ball and push that into the rocket. This is creating a barrier, of a heat resistant barrier between the engine, which would be here, and the parachute, which is up here. You then want to take an engine stop out of here. So I have one right here. You want to make sure it fits in your rocket, okay? We don't want it too tight or it will crumple up the body tube paper. If it's too loose, it obviously won't do its job. So if it's too loose, you need to wrap more masking tape around it, kind of like some of the masking tape you see here, and you can trim that until it fits just kind of snug, not overly tight. If it's tight, pull some of the masking tape off of there. Get it in the bottom here, and then in another cup, we're gonna have old engines. Take one of those old engines. The side that does not have any tape on it, we're gonna use to push our engine stop into the right depth. So I'm gonna take this and just push right here, and I just want a little bit of the engine sticking out the bottom here. And I'm gonna twist and pull the engine back out. The engine stop should be up inside where we want it to be. At this point, I want you to bring the rocket to myself, and I'm going to put a little bit of the instant cure glue down inside here so that the engine stop is held in place. So let's do that now. And that's it. This dries in about 15 seconds.